The metaverse is more than just a buzzword. It's a digital revolution that is reshaping how we interact, play, and experience entertainment. Imagine a world where virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, blend seamlessly with our physical world, creating immersive experiences like never before. From gaming to social media, the metaverse is changing the way we live, work, and connect with others. In this video, we'll explore how the metaverse is revolutionizing entertainment, gaming, and social media, and how it could transform the future of human interaction. 1. What is the metaverse? The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space, combining both the physical and virtual worlds. It integrates virtual reality, augmented reality, and the internet to create an immersive experience that feels just as real as the physical world. While the idea of the metaverse has been around for decades, the technology to make it a reality has only recently come to fruition. Platforms like VRChat, Decentraland, and Horizon Worlds are examples of early metaverse experiences where users can interact, socialize, and play. This digital universe is expanding rapidly, offering everything from virtual concerts to fully immersive video games. The metaverse is more than just an idea. It's quickly becoming a new frontier for entertainment and interaction. 2. Revolutionizing entertainment. The metaverse is opening new doors for the entertainment industry, providing opportunities for interactive experiences that were once unimaginable. Instead of simply watching movies or listening to music, users can now experience entertainment in fully immersive, interactive ways. Virtual concerts, for example, allow fans to attend live performances from their favorite artists, no matter where they are in the world. In the metaverse, these concerts can be fully interactive, allowing attendees to walk around virtual venues, meet other fans, and even interact with the performers. This level of interactivity transforms the entertainment experience from passive to active, making it more engaging and memorable. As the metaverse grows, expect even more forms of entertainment, from virtual theme parks to interactive art galleries. 3. Gaming in the metaverse. Gaming is one of the most exciting areas where the metaverse is making its mark. The metaverse enables gamers to enter fully immersive worlds where they can interact with others in real time, creating dynamic and social gaming experiences. Unlike traditional video games, where players are confined to their screens, the metaverse allows for a more open, shared environment. In games like Fortnite and Roblox, players can participate in large-scale events, collaborate with friends, and explore expansive virtual worlds. These platforms are a glimpse of what the future of gaming could look like, with players creating, sharing, and experiencing content together in a virtual world. The line between gaming and socializing is becoming increasingly blurred, with players not just competing, but also forming communities and friendships. 4. Virtual economies in the metaverse. As the metaverse grows, so does its economy. Virtual goods, currencies, and services are becoming a huge part of the metaverse experience. Players can purchase virtual real estate, buy digital clothing, and even invest in virtual assets like NFTs, non-fungible tokens that have real-world value. The concept of a virtual economy is not new, but it is expanding rapidly as more and more platforms adopt digital currencies and marketplaces. For example, in Decentraland, users can buy land and develop it into virtual businesses, offering everything from virtual stores to interactive experiences. The metaverse is creating new opportunities for creators, entrepreneurs, and investors to make a living in a fully digital economy. 5. The future of social media in the metaverse. Social media is another area where the metaverse is having a profound impact. Instead of simply liking posts or leaving comments, users will soon be able to interact in real time, face-to-face, within a virtual space. Imagine attending a virtual party, hanging out with friends in a virtual cafe, or attending a live queue and a session with your favorite influencer, all within a 3D environment. This level of interaction will make social media more immersive and engaging, as users will no longer be limited to 2D screens or static images. The metaverse will allow for more organic connections between people, enabling a deeper sense of presence and connection. Platforms like Facebook, Meta, are already investing heavily in metaverse technologies, signaling the direction social media is headed in the coming years. 6. The role of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. At the heart of the metaverse are virtual reality and augmented reality technologies, which are essential for creating these immersive experiences. Virtual reality allows users to fully immerse themselves in a digital world, while augmented reality blends the digital world with the real one. In the metaverse, VR and AR are used to create lifelike environments where users can interact with each other, digital objects, and their surroundings. VR headsets like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive are already being used to access metaverse platforms, providing a more immersive experience than ever before. Augmented reality, on the other hand, is being used to overlay digital information on the real world, enhancing the way we interact with our surroundings. These technologies are the backbone of the metaverse, enabling the digital worlds we explore to feel more real and engaging. 7. Education and learning in the metaverse. The metaverse also has the potential to revolutionize education and learning. Imagine taking a history class where you can walk through ancient civilizations, or attending a biology lesson where you can interact with 3D models of the human body. The metaverse can provide students with hands-on, immersive learning experiences that would be impossible in a traditional classroom. Students can collaborate in virtual study groups, attend virtual lectures, and even visit virtual museums or research labs, all within the metaverse. This type of learning has the potential to make education more engaging and accessible, breaking down barriers to education across the globe. As educational institutions adopt metaverse technologies, the way we learn and interact with knowledge will be transformed. 8. Privacy and security in the metaverse. As exciting as the metaverse is, it also raises concerns about privacy and security. With more personal data being shared in virtual spaces, the risk of data breaches, identity theft, and cyberattacks increases. In the metaverse, users will need to take extra precautions to protect their digital identities and personal information. The metaverse also raises questions about how data is collected and used by companies, especially as businesses begin to advertise and sell products within virtual worlds. Ensuring the privacy and security of users will be a critical challenge as the metaverse continues to grow. As the technology evolves, it is essential that strict regulations and ethical guidelines are put in place to protect users' digital lives. 9. Virtual real estate and digital ownership. In the metaverse, virtual real estate is becoming a valuable commodity. Just like in the physical world, users can buy, sell, and develop virtual land, creating virtual homes, stores, and even entertainment venues. Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox allow users to purchase digital plots of land and build on them, creating unique virtual properties. The concept of digital ownership is also expanding, with items like NFTs enabling users to own and trade virtual assets. These virtual properties can be used for everything from hosting events to running businesses, providing new opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs. As the metaverse grows, virtual real estate will become an increasingly important asset in the digital economy. 10. The future of the metaverse in entertainment, gaming, and social media. The future of the metaverse is incredibly exciting, with endless possibilities for innovation and growth. As technology continues to improve, the metaverse will become even more immersive, realistic, and accessible. In entertainment, we can expect more interactive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. In gaming, we will see increasingly sophisticated worlds where players can interact and create in ways never before possible. Social media will evolve into more dynamic and immersive platforms, offering users the chance to connect in virtual spaces. The metaverse is set to revolutionize the way we play, socialize, and experience entertainment, changing the digital landscape forever. The metaverse is more than just a futuristic concept. It's a rapidly evolving reality that is changing the way we interact with digital spaces. From entertainment and gaming to social media and education, the metaverse is offering new opportunities for creativity, connection, and innovation. As technology advances, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments that will reshape our digital lives. The metaverse is the next frontier of human interaction, where the boundaries between the physical and virtual worlds are becoming increasingly blurred. If you're excited about the future of the metaverse, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how digital technology is shaping the future of our world.